Hello, this is Crowe. I'm here for my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. I take a lot of vacations. The ladies that go with us on the vacations, we always kid them about we always have to plan the shopping while we're there. And so, the guys, of course, we say, oh, this is a ladies' thing, but we do it just because y'all are going to do the things we like to do. But last night, after the webinar, I went online and I bought 2 rare bulls. And then this morning I decided at that price, I'm going to go back and get some more. So I went back this morning and I bought 4 more. So last night and this morning, I really went on a shopping spree. I bought 6 rare bulls. And for those 6 rare bulls, what I did was I did not take that money out of my checking account or off my credit card. I had some money already in crypto. The money I put in crypto, I noticed that what I put in Bitcoin originally had increased by $2,200. So I took that $2,200 and also some of the money in Ethereum, it had gone up. So the money that I used was pretty much an increase in money that I had put in those previously. And I moved those to my MetaMask wallet and came over and made my purchases, total of 6 rare bulls. And I think this is an unbelievable low price. You'll notice when I go through the rest of the video. I'm going to go to the computer. I didn't think about video in these. I was too excited shopping. I didn't think about video. And later I said, I should have videoed that. So what I did, I just went back and did the video to show you how I did it. So now I'm going to go to the computer and show you how I transferred money in Coinbase from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and how I took the Ethereum and put on my MetaMask wallet, took the MetaMask wallet and went to OpenSea and purchased some of the bulls. So here's the computer video. I have already logged into Coinbase. In Coinbase, we're going to look at how to transfer money. If we go to the link that says buy and sell, in that link, it'll be open in just a little while. Usually it doesn't take this long, but I guess when you're doing a video, sometimes it does take longer. There are 3, you can buy, or you can sell, or you can convert. Now what I did was, when I first started my, to get involved with crypto, I bought Ethereum, but I went ahead and staked it. That means I draw interest on it. Because it's staked, and I can't just take it and use it other places. So when I needed some Ethereum to use to buy some bulls with, what I did was I went and converted some of my the default on convert comes up to Bitcoin to Ethereum. And that's what I want to do. And what you do, you can click here. You could convert all of it, but you can click here. If you want to do, say, $500, you just type in $500. I'm not going to convert it. I'm just going to type it, but then you would click preview the convert, which that doesn't convert it. That just previews the convert. And then if you want to convert it, then you would click and it would actually convert it. I'm not going to convert it. I'm just showing you how to do it. So I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go back and get out of that. But I do want to send and receive. So I'm going to go to send and receive. Once I got this converted to Ethereum, and I click there, send and receive, it's going to come up. Again, it's taking a little longer than usual, so it'll be in just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is, it's got Bitcoin here, but I don't want Bitcoin. So I'll click the arrow, and when the list comes up, I want to find Ethereum, so I'm just going to search for it and just type in ETH, and there it is. So I'm going to click Ethereum. And where you're going to send it to, you can send it to an email, a mobile, or you can an address. The address would be the MetaMask address. So for the MetaMask address, if you look up here, this strange looking little symbol, that's for your MetaMask. It's in your extensions. So click the extension button, Then when you click MetaMask, you may need to log in, but there's a copy button, and the copy will copy your address, and it will copy that address. And once you copy it, I'm not going to do this, but I've already completed it. You would come here and paste it. When you paste it in, then you would click continue. But when you click continue, then to complete this, you have to go back to your MetaMask wallet and confirm it. But I've already did this already, so after I had made some sales last night, I said I should have videoed that, but I didn't. So I'm coming back and videoing it now. But so when you do that, you will have to go back to your MetaMask wallet, and you'll scroll down and confirm it. And you may have to do it twice. You may have to sign it and confirm it. But when you do that, it will move that money to your MetaMask wallet. Then once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and log out here before I leave. So I'm going to log out. So I'm signing out. And in the OpenSeas, if you haven't done so, on your profile, if it's not there, then you have to go and open your MetaMask wallet, and it will open your profile. So if you're not already in your profile, you'll need to open your MetaMask wallet so that you'll be in your profile. So I'm in my profile now, but I'm going to click here, and I've already searched for bull runners, but make sure it's the one that says 10,000 items. There's some scammers that's got called bull runners, but they're the wrong ones. So do that one, and we're to the bull runners site, and I'm going to scroll down, and you can see some of the bulls. Now, if this area on the left is not open, this little down triangle will either close that or open it. If it's not open, open it. And what I did was I scroll down, and I'll need to come over here and scroll the whole page so I can see it better. And when I scrolled on down, I went on down to rarity, and I clicked rarity, and then I need to scroll down some more. And when I scroll some more, I will click rare. And when I click rare, then it's showing me the rare bulls. Now for the rare bulls, here's some listed for 0.3 Ethereums. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. And after these 5 are gone, it's going to go up to 0.4. But I came in last night and I bought 2 of these, but I got them cheaper than this. And I'm surprised that people were selling them this cheap. And then today I decided to go back and get some more. So I went back over to my Coinbase wallet and put some more money in my MetaMask and came back. And I bought 4 more today. So last night and today, I bought 4 rare bulls. And I could not believe this. On Ryan's webinar last night, he happened to notice that someone bought one for 600. He seemed a little surprised it wasn't sold for 600. And as soon as that webinar was over, I rushed over here and looked. And wow, 3 of them I got for less than 0.3. 3 of them I got for less than 0.3. The 2 I got last night, and 1 this morning was still less than that, and then 3 of them was 0.3. If I'd have bought all of them last night, they'd cost me less. Ethereum went up during the night, and when it went up, I paid more for the ones this morning than I paid last night. And also, the network was busy and the gas fees were a little bit higher. So I would have saved a little bit of money if I'd have went ahead and got all 6 of them last night. But the ones of us in our group, 0.3 Ethereum, that to me is an unreal cheap price. I'm hoping one day to get 10,000 a piece for these, and paying around it ended up a little more than 500 a piece for the ones that I got when time I added the gas fees. So, but here's how you can do it. What you'll do is, if you come to it and point to it, when you come right below it, you click Add to Cart. You'll click Add to Cart, and you see the card up here. It's got a 1. If I want this one also, you click Add to Cart, and it added it. If I want this one, Add to Cart. And then when you start to check out, you'll click that chart. I'm not going to do that because I've used my money pretty much up. I don't have enough money to buy these. And but even when I click the cart, see, there they are. They're listed, and it gives you the total price is 0.9 Ethereum. And but I'm not going to continue that. I'm going to cancel that. I'm just showing you how to do it. So if you do want to buy some, you would do that. You would add it to the cart. And when you add it to the cart, you can complete the purchase. But I'm not going to complete the purchase because I don't have the money to buy them. And so hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Appreciate any comments, any likes, shares. Let's all help each other out and boost each other's posts. I will see you in a later video.